to review what we talked about, then it'll be clear.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you have I need this, the enrollment information. It's for me to create your account, right?
So no need for me to fill out
No,
that
no, I fill it up for
that
you.
entry form. Okay,
Yeah,
thank
I
you,
fill
thank
it
you.
up for you. And then this one, if you open that, it has some information about how you're gonna do it.
Mm-hmm.
So we talked about you're gonna use Drew, right, for your
Yes.
teacher's name. And then of course, pag inopen mo yung file, pang IELTS kasi yung umpisa nito,
Mm-hmm.
right? Pero I suggest, since you're a GE teacher, am I right?
IELTS. I'm
Ah,
actually for IELTS. Yes.
oh, okay, okay, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. Wait a minute. I'm sharing actually for both enrollment information and about teacher self-introduction, it's the same for GE and IELTS. So, but for IELTS, this one, like how you help your students get their band score, target band score. So, ito yon. Yep. So, and then if you can see that it will consist of, let me see. Let me see here. Ito na yung ano, it has ito yung GE features. But let's first talk about, um, you will need an audio MP3. So I believe you can use your free VOOV as of now, your personal
Mm-hmm.
VOOV. So because the
Actually,
VOOV,
what do you call this one? I was able to follow the instructions in order for me to uh, there was this thing that they made us do, right, for our VOOB. So nagawa ko na po siya.
you
It's
mean
already in yeah,
advanced version ka na?
yeah, it's like the enterprise already. Hindi na po siya yung free
Are you
or
using
personal.
that already now?
Yeah, because we were told to. Yeah.
Actually, you should not have used that for our
Ah,
meeting because
I'm
that
sorry.
VOOV is only for class.
I'm sorry. Yeah.
So, remember I chatted with you. I said I'm going to give you another instruction for VOOV in order
Mhm.
for you to log
Yeah,
in
yeah, I
to
remember that.
another.
Mhm.
It's because you will still record, and then we'll have a meeting, and then
Mhm.
I need you to save that personal VOOV in order to speak with me. Yeah.
Mm.
Uh whenever we have a meeting, coaching, ganyan, you should use your personal VOOV.
Okay, miss. Okay,
So
understand.
since you're using the one for class, what do you think? Should you log out and log in again?
And I'll use my personal book. Okay.
Yeah,
All
because
right.
that is for
Sure, sure.
class.
And I will delete the recording afterwards if there is
I
one.
actually recorded on my side.
Oh, okay. All right.
Mm-mm.
So I'll leave now and I will use my
Sige.
own book.
Okay.
Okay. Thank
So maybe
you.
I'll give you
Sorry,
like
sorry.
3
3
minutes.
minutes. Yeah. Okay.
Sige. Okay, see
Okay.
you